In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Etsy product description using AI. I'm going to use ChatGPT and also CS Spark, which is Creative Fabrica tool. Both of the versions are free. And let's say we're going to create product description for printable nursery wall art. I decided to be an elephant. So with that being said, let's get started. And guys, if you like videos like this, make sure to hit the subscribe button and notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. Let's start with ChatGPT first. For ChatGPT, I pre-made two different prompts and I already did it the first one. Let me show you. Alright, SEO optimized Etsy description for elephant nursery printable wall art, and you can see how ChatGPT structure the description with different sections and emojis. I'm not gonna read the whole description because I'm not gonna waste your time. You can make a screenshot or stop the video and check. But we have welcome to our charming collection of elephant nursery printable wall art. After that we have instant download, explanation how you can download the file. After that is saying that is gender neutral, it's going to be for girls and boys, perfect for nursery or playroom, multiple sizes options, premium quality, wonderful gift idea, and after that is like ending and call to action. So let's check CS Spark version, elephant printable nursery wall art. Here we can type, so let me show you first how to go to this page. When you're in Creative Fabrica, just go on Spark, click on Spark. After that, we're going on CF Spark Writer. There you go. And here we have store name, store view, product listing title, product listing description. We've got so many options below. Let's open this one. And it's gonna open this window. And I just click create content. And you can see it's a little bit shorter description. And it's without emojis, but it's also very good written. Welcome to our shops where kids room decor meets a touch of whimsy, introducing our delightful elephant printable nursery art, and so on. 5 radius sizes, you can make a bullets from this, printable version, instant downloads, room decor made easy, and ready to enhance your little one's space with our amazing elephant printable nursery wall art. And let's try the second one on ChatGPT. Write SEO optimize Etsy description for printable nursery wall art with an elephant design. And we will see what we're gonna have. So let's paste the prompt here and just click the arrow. So title, adorable elephant nursery wall art. Welcome to our charming collection of printable nursery wall art featuring an endearing elephant design. Welcome, it's a little bit different. Sweet elephant design. This printable wall art showcase a heartwarming elephant illustration. Instant download, skip the wait and get started on your nursery transformation right away. Explanation what to do after purchase. Customizable sizes, quality assurance, perfect gift idea, and at the end like call to action. And you can also all the time you can ask ChatGPT to rewrite this one as many times as you want. Let's say can you write it again? Just press enter and ChatGPT will start typing, start writing again. And actually you can create 2 or 3 descriptions and mismatch them, take some things from the first one, some things for the second one, and this is how I'm doing my descriptions, because sometimes the second one is better. You can see the third one. Elevate your nursery charm with our enhancing elephant nursery wall. Adorable elephant design, instant download, customizable sizes for your space, soft gender neutral tones, ideal baby shower gift, quality you can trust, complete your nursery theme, and you can rewrite as much times as you want. You can do the same on CS Spark as well, but bear in mind, if you click create content, you're gonna lose this one. So copy this, copy this one. Let's paste this here because I don't want to lose this one, and just hit create content again and just wait few seconds and everything is going to be ready. It start writing. Introducing our adorable elephant printable nursery wall, specially designed to add a touch of charm and creativity to your little ones, featuring a captivating elephant design, available in 5 radius sizes, printable format, versatile room decor. So why wait? This is call to action. You can see how fast is writing, and you can rewrite here as much time as you want as well. So let's try something different, and I'm going to wrap up the video. And you can always try to make the things, try to ask for a little bit complicated title and description or something else, but I'm trying to keep the things very easy, and I'm not gonna overcomplicate the things, because some people, they warming up the ChatGPT. After that they asking for description. I'm doing this straight away, and I think the quality of the description is pretty good, and from 3 descriptions I can create my own. So let's go to Printify and search for some, let's say something not t-shirts or mugs, because everybody is selling this. Let's say blanket or pillow. Let's say blanket, and let's open the first one. You can see we have velveteen plush blanket. It's with polyester. I will copy this. Let's create quickly prompt. So 100% polyester. Let's say this, like this one. I'll delete this, and right SEO optimize Etsy description for, let's copy actually this one for, okay, plush blanket for, let's say the design will be the same. Plush blanket with an elephant design. Let's do it like this and see what we're gonna receive. Okay, I will paste it here, and let's try, this was blank. Okay, or here. Let's paste it, this one here, polyester, velveteen plush blanket. Let's say elephant in front. Okay. And here kids room decor, printable word is not going to be printable word, and no, elephant design will remain. Okay, polyester velveteen plush blanket. Polyester blanket. Let's keep this like this. Okay. Let's say it's for kids again. And here, let's say 3 sizes. I think they're offering 3 sizes. Let's check. Yes, there are 3 sizes. Or 2 sizes. Let's no, 3 sizes. Okay, 3 sizes. Where was this one? Here, 3 sizes. And what else we need to do? Room decor. Nope. 3 sizes. Kids room. And what else? Let's say plush blanket, and I think this is it. Create content. So let's check ChatGPT. Not this one. Let's move everything here. Okay. Wrap your little one in warming and wish me with our polyester velveteen plush blanket, sweet elephant design, premium velveteen material, great gift for baby showers, easy to care for, generous size, create a cozy oasis. So you can see, and you can rewrite this as well and try to make one good description from two descriptions. And let's check here. Introducing our adorable elephant polyester velveteen plush blanket. The perfect addition to any child room. So here is why elephant polyester velveteen blanket will be your child's new favorite. Available in 3 sizes: toddler, twin, and full. You can fix this with the actual sizes and actual parameters of the product. The plush and velvety softness of the blanket provides unparalleled comfort, making it ideal for nap time, story time, or just cuddling up. You can see it's a little bit shorter, but we can rewrite one more time and we will see what we're gonna receive. Probably is the longest one. Yeah, it's going to be a little bit longer, and probably I'm going to like this one much more than the first one, but you get the point. So let's recap. We are finding our product. We are asking ChatGPT in very easy way to write our description. We can rewrite as much time as we want. We can do the same in CS Spark Writer, and we can do this for any type of products, printable or physical products. So with that being said, guys, I hope this video was helpful for you and you learned something new from me. If so, hit the subscribe button, notification bell. I will highly appreciate this. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.